Winter is finally over. It's spring outside Nick's garage. Time to go for a drive.
Hi, I'm Nick, and welcome to my shop. Yes, today I'm going to take my first drive. It will not be a long one. It's just down the street where the Muffler Shop is, and we're going to have the exhaust system put into this car. Now, this car belongs to Rick. He's had it for a few years. We used to call it a Frankenstein because it used to be a race car, and now he wants to convert it to cruise around with it on the street. Yes, it's a mean-looking car. It's got some big wheels on it. It's got a roll bar in it. It's got an aluminum dash, but he's going to convert it more into a street car. But now we just got the 440 out of the car, installed a Hemi, also went to a 4-speed. So Rick, you used to call it a Frankenstein. Will you call it a Frankenstein anymore? I do not know. But anyways, it sure looks good with the 528 in there. It's something very special for me. It's got my 528 that I had on display for a long time, and Rick offered to buy it, and here we are, have it in his car. And we also have the exhaust manifolds on it. So I've got the chrome tips, I've got the exhaust flanges and everything, and the mufflers are coming in this afternoon. But my goal is to get it started, start doing the exhaust system at the shop where David has. And you know, it's going to be our first drive. I'm not going to drive it crazy. We're going to drive it with open manifolds, drop it off so we can get going with it. You know, winters are so long here in Canada. It feels good to be back on the road. You know, we had snow past week, and you know, my job is to get these cars done and drive them, road test them, and try them out. And being snow and wet streets, you know, the water's salty. You don't want to take these cars and put them in the water in the street. But I got to be careful. But in this case, this one is not a totally restored, detailed car, so it's going to be okay. So let's take our first drive with the 68 Roadrunner that belongs to Rick up to the Muffler Shop, down the street, and of course, get those exhaust system on it. All right, up to the Muffler Shop. going to get the mufflers done, put them on, and then we'll take it for a longer drive. So in the meantime, let's get the exhaust system put on, mufflers, the chrome tips, and we're all good. Oh, feels great. Oh, wow. Now, if only could get lots of rain, get all the streets cleaned up with the snow, and then take it for a longer drive, and as well take the other cars too at the same time. Okay, let's get going. I brought the flanges to the, put on the exhaust system. And of course, we're also putting on the original chrome tips that belong on a 68 Roadrunner, which are right here. They're nice pieces. And of course, we're going to put it just like the way it came from the factory. I'm going to disconnect the battery, of course. Here we go. David, how you doing?
Hey.
Here's another job for you.
Thank you very much.
I disconnected the battery.
Yes.
I brought you the flanges. I marked on the frame if you need to pick it up, so I can show you where the chrome tips go. So I'll take a few minutes, wait for you to pick it up if you don't mind.
Sure.
I want to show you.
Yeah, thank you.
Because this frame is being modified. It's not factory. So I'm going to tell you where to put them, okay?
Yeah, perfect.
David is our man here at the Muffler Shop. He does all my custom exhaust systems on all the cars. This one here being a Hemi, and we're just going to make a 2.5-inch pipe all the way to the back. We're going to install two other mufflers. I don't know the brand. I don't remember the brand. And they should be here very soon. We also see the fuel lines. Robert redid them because they were hanging everywhere. So we did them with a vapor return, a 3/8 feed and a 1/4-inch return. We also have a vapor separator on the engine, just like they did in 69 and on. And let me show you where the chrome tips go.
Okay.
Look, we marked white in the middle, okay, centre, okay, in the middle of that, okay, and here. But now, the original frame is not there, it's a modified frame. So we have to figure out a hanger. I have this, left and right. I don't know if you can make anything with it. See, there's one left, one right. You can see this. Maybe you can weld it on the frame, I'm not sure. These are for a different car, like a T8 Challenger. But if you can use them, you know, it slides in, you see? Slides in.
Yeah.
You want to weld it, you want to bend it, you do what you want.
Perfect.
And the flanges for the manifold, I have the flat and I have the tapered. So you use the ones you need, okay?
Perfect.
So you got that. And the chrome tip, like I told you, it's with the white line. If you need to go a little bit, doesn't matter. And this, I don't want to, you know what, bring it down. I want to tell you how far out it's going to come out. You know, we want to do the best we can. All right. Beautiful, eh? That's beautiful. Something like this, like maybe 2 fingers, you know,
fingers?
like that.
Perfect.
I don't want it, yeah, 2 fingers. Okay, something like this. I measured the one with the other Roadrunner from the factory. It's here. So the chrome tip, I don't know, the hanger, you put it where you want for the chrome tip. Okay,
But
2 fingers.
2 fingers.
Okay, I think you should be good. All right.
Sure.
Good luck, David. Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Is this going to be a difficult one?
No, it's a pleasure anytime to work in these crazy nice machines.
That's right. And he's done all the downpipes in our dyno also. So he knows what to do. Congratulations to Steve and Joanna for their wedding day. And of course, lots of years of happiness. And of course, a happy birthday to Brian for his 94th birthday.
Thanks for watching, everyone. We hope you enjoyed this little Easter egg extra video of Nick's first drive of the new year. We wish you all a very happy spring and a long and powerful driving season from all of us here at Nick's Garage.
And you guys, if you look down below the video, we have a whole bunch of merchandise that you guys can buy. So whatever you like, buy it, love it, wear it, and enjoy it. And help spread the word of Nick's Garage. And if you have some time, check out our Patreon page. We have extra content and you guys can watch it and take it from there. And we'll see you next time.